Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn how to write the summary. Means our question number 4b. It is related to summary writing question. Means summary writing, there is a non-textual means unseen passage is there, and related to this passage you want to write the summary. Okay, it is very important because these questions contain 5 marks. And while writing this summary you have to means you have to write this passage into brief paragraph. Okay, you have to write this in brief paragraph. Means there are whatever the means that's passage contain, you have to collect number of words to be written may or not be mentioned in the introduction. Means some words which are not mentioned in the passage, but you want to write your own words. Okay, you have to write the summary in your own words. Means that meaning of this passage you have to write in short in your own words. Okay, means for example you have to write this. Means if there are in this passage, if there are 100 to 90 words, you have to write it into 30 words. Okay, means here we are going to see some tips for the summary writing. Okay, means you have to understand main points and express them in a brief in your own language. Means which are the main points that you have to understand first. Read this passage 2-3 times. Okay, it is very important. You have to read and understand the main points from this passage, and then express them in brief in your own language. Avoid exact repetition. It is very important. You have to avoid the exact repetition of the sentences in the passage. And write the summary in only one paragraph. Don't do the paragraph there. Write it means it is because there are only you are going to write it is 1/3 passage, 1/3 paragraph. Means it is only you have to write this summary in a one paragraph. Do not include any example. If there is examples in such a passage, okay, don't include these examples in your summary writing. And do not give your own views or your own opinions in the summary, because it is only that whatever you understand from this passage. In short, you are going to write this passage into paragraph. Okay, use appropriate vocabulary, use appropriate grammar, and use appropriate language. Okay, while summarizing the passage. And always give your summary an appropriate title. Title is must there. Okay, if you not give the title, then you will not get their marks, and that's why title is very necessary. Means whatever you understand from this passage, okay, you have to write this in the means that title. For title there is 1 mark, for the summary. Okay, and whatever you are going to write the theme of this passage into your summary, for that 2 marks, and whatever your appropriate language, grammar, for that 2 marks. Like this way it is very important. If you written in your own words, or you can use their complex sentences. We use their conjunctions, or you can use their compound sentences. Okay, with the help of means like this way you can write in short way. Now see, some tips are here given that you have to see. Shorten the text in such a way that all facts are in the summary. Means you are going to do that short the passage, shorten the passage, and you have to include this shorten paragraph, that all the facts whatever in passage that include in the summary. Then avoid the examples. from whatever is given. Avoid the evolution or interpretation, means explanation of any example. Okay, don't give there. Then skim the text. You should know that what is the main content of it. Means while reading the text, while reading the passage, means whatever the main points, you have to underline these points. Okay. Then read the heading carefully. If you not underline, then you can write these main points of the backside page of the paper. Okay. Then read the text again to understand more details. Means you have to read this passage 2-3 times. Okay, and you can understand more detail this passage. You must have understood the whole passage. Then next is make notes. Means use keywords. Means backside page. Now only I told, means backside page you have to write the keywords. Okay, means only make a notes. It's your own. Underline important words in the text. Whatever the important lines or important words are there, you have to underline it. Form sentences with the help of your keywords. And whatever you means written the keywords or notes, with the help of this you have to form your own sentences. These sentences should reflect the main points of the passage. Then connect the sentences using suitable conjunction. Okay, means now only I told, means you have to use compound sentences or complex sentences. Okay, for to connect the sentences. The first sentence should be describe the main content of the text, means main clause. Okay, first sentence there is a main clause, and after the conjunction there is a subordinate. Like this way you can write the join the sentences with the help of conjunction. Then your summary should be in simple present or simple past. Okay, write sentences in reported speech, means indirect speech. Don't use their direct speech, means in don't give their comma or double inverted comma, like this way. Sometimes you have to change the persons, means for example, if there is a first person, you want to change this into second or third person, means whatever their ideas depend on this. Check your summary and watch out for spelling mistakes. And after return the summary, you have to check it and watch out for spelling mistakes. Like this way, these are the summary points. Whatever I told, you have to keep in mind, and like this way you have to write the if you follow these tips, then you can write, surely you can write the good summary and you will get their marks. Okay, like this way it's a summary writing. Okay, thank you.